Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs. I'm back today with another holiday bunting project you can use to decorate your home. Today, it's Valentine's Day hearts. We've made these quick and easy buntings for fall, for Christmas, and now we're on to a Valentine's Day project. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs, where you'll find patterns with step-by-step written instructions, photos, cutting measurements, links to video tutorials, and with this project, you'll get the printable heart templates. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric for the hearts, fabric for the loops for hanging, batting, pinking shears, clothesline cord or jute, and the heart templates. If you haven't had a chance to pick up the pattern and you'd like to get it, I've added a link in the description below this video. First, cut out your paper templates and then place a piece of heart fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place your layer of batting and align it with the shorter end of the fabric. Fold the other half of the fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place one of your heart templates on your stack of fabric about ½ inch away from your fabric's edge and pin it in place. Do the same with your other hearts. Rough cut around the template about ½ inch away. Do the same with your other hearts. Stitch the stack together by sewing outside the template very close to the paper's edge without going over. Make sure your needle's in the down position when pivoting at the inner points, and take your time around the curves. When all hearts have been sewn, use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim about ½ inch to ½ inch outside of your stitching lines. Do the same with all your hearts. To make the hanging loops, cut the fabric into strips. Again, your cutting measurements are in your pattern, and sew them together to make one long strip. Fold the strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press. Open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 inch from the edges all the way around the fabric strip. Cut the strip into 6-inch pieces. Fold the strip in half, making a loop. Place the raw edge to the top of the back of the heart. Stitch over your previous top stitching to hold it in place. Stitch the loops to all the hearts. Place a finished heart over your cording and slide it to the middle. Place your next heart 1 to 2 inches away from your first. And continue adding hearts to the left and right and space them out as desired. Tie a loop on each end of your cord for hanging. And just like that, just that fast, you have a cute Valentine's Day bunting you made yourself. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs, where you'll find even more holiday and non-holiday sewing and crafting projects and patterns. And remember, I publish content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another project.